Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a Google Shopping product feed for your WooCommerce store. And we are going to be using one of the easiest tools out there, and it is called the CTX Feed plugin for WordPress. So by the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to set up your product feed, and you will see how to connect that feed to the Google Merchant Center. And most importantly, you will be ready to start running your Google Shopping ads and also upload these products as free listings in the Google search results. So for those of you who do not know what a Google Shopping listing is, let me show an example. Right here, I have a product that I've searched for. So you will see under normal Google results, it may not show up, or it might show up on top here as a sponsored ad. But under shopping, these are listings that are uploaded by different business owners and companies and different websites. Okay, so they rank here. So in case a person or a customer is already looking for maybe a white noise machine, they can easily find your product, open it up, and order it directly from your websites. Okay, so to set this up with your WooCommerce store, it's really easy. Okay, so let's log into our WordPress dashboard and get started. So the first thing you have to do is to come right under plugins and click on add new plugin. So the plugin that we're going to be using is called the CTX Feed. So search for CTX Feed and these results pop up. So here is a plugin. So I'm going to click on install. And once it is installed, please activate it. Then what we're going to do is that we're going to go to the CTX plugin. So immediately you open up the dashboard. It's going to request you to create your first feed. Okay, so you're going to click on create or generate new feed. Then we start to fill out these fields. Okay, so country, you can put a country where you're living right now. Then for the template, we're going to select the Google Shopping template because now we are listing them as Google Shopping listings. And for the file name, we can call it Google Listing. Then the file type, please save it as XML. Then variation, you can include a variation. So after that is set up, you see a feed configuration section right here. So basically what the plugin is trying to do, it's trying to extract some metadata and make sure it well aligns to the Google format of the data that you can upload into the Merchant Center. Okay, so now you can see that the product ID corresponds to the product ID, the product title, so there's a description, the item group, and all that. So when you see, for example, this is the Google product category, right here is not assigned because maybe our products in WooCommerce don't have that metadata. So what probably you can do is to fill in the category, for example, your product or the type of business. Okay, so if I'm selling clothing, I would select apparel and clothing or any other, business or industry that I'm in. Then scroll down just to make sure that everything looks good. So you can see that the sale price is actually the right price right here. Then once you're done, you can go through and verify everything. And once you're done, you can click on update. And it's going to take, let's say, a couple of seconds. Actually, it's done already. And it's going to generate a URL, okay? This URL. So we're going to be needing this URL in the next few steps. So do not close this tab. So the next step right after now is to go into Merchant Center and upload this XML document for Google to fetch our products from our WooCommerce store. So when you're in the Google Merchant Center and you click sign in, this is the first page you'll be seeing. So they'll ask you where you're selling products. So you would say yes, and it's going to ask for your store address. So right now for this tutorial, I'm using a demo store. So I'm going to copy it from right here. It's on a subdomain, but I think that should be okay. And I'm going to put it right here. And do you have a physical location? Probably yes or no. Yeah, but maybe we'll say no for this case. So we're going to fill in these, and I'm going to click continue to Merchant Center, and we're going to enter our business name. Okay, so let's enter probably business, something like that, and insert your country. Then you're going to click continue to Merchant Center. And once you sign in, your dashboard is going to be as blank as this if your account is new. And what you want to do is you want to upload these products. Okay, so to do that, go under the product section here on the left. Then what you're going to do, scroll down a little bit, then click on add products. So you have three options. One is to connect Google Shopping to WooCommerce, or add a product file, or use Google Sheets. Okay, so you're going to click on add products from a file. Then you want to paste the link of your file. Okay, so you can upload it using an SFTP protocol or from your computer. But remember, guys, we already have this link right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select the link and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to come and paste it right here. So one thing you would have to note is that because you may be adding some products to your store, and Google basically wants to know how often do you want it to refresh. Okay, because let's say you're having a sale, you're changing certain products, maybe listings, pricing here and there, adding some extra information. You can decide how often should Google be updating this file. Okay, how often should Google maybe take to make changes when, for example, you update the changes. So I think the good rule of thumb is to select every 24 hours. Okay, so you can select anytime that works for you, but that's what I would recommend. Okay, now one important setting is right here. So where you see your products will show in, please select the countries where you want your products to be shown and make sure that you can sell and deliver in that country. Okay, so basically I would select my home country and click on save. Then I would click on continue. And once that is done, you will see this section right here, and the products right now are being imported, and you'll have to wait just a few minutes until it syncs. Okay, so now as you can see, we have 10 products that have been imported, and right now it's saying that the product file has no issues. So in certain cases where you find yourself importing, let's say 500 to 1,000 products or even above that, you'll find that some products have simple minor issues that Google will flag. Then you can easily fix them. Yeah, it will highlight where these problems are and you will fix them. Okay, very easy to do, but that may not be the case for most of you guys. So now once you're done, what you need to do to see if everything is working fine, you have to come under products right here. So to take a look exactly what has been imported. Okay, So when you scroll down, we can see that we have 10 total products and they're not showing on Google. Let's see some of the reasons why. So you can see some of the product photos have already been imported, but when you click, for example, on this error message right here, you will see that you're getting an error. This product cannot be shown. It has one or more issues preventing it from showing up on Google. So all you have to do in such cases, Google will actually help you. So click on review and fix. And you guys are going to see the reason why. So my problem right now is that Google is asking me to confirm my online store. So this is very important to Google, to show it or to show Google that you're actually a verified business that is running and selling real products, that you're not just gonna scam people. Okay, so if you got this issue, one way to fix it is that you can click on learn more, and once you reach right here, you'll have four options of verifying that this website is actually yours. You can add an HTML tag or file to your website, use Google Tag Manager, or get a code sent to your email that you can use to verify, or actually link it using WooCommerce, Wix, or Squarespace. But for this case, we're using WooCommerce. Now, there are a bunch of tutorials that can help you set this up, and why I'm not going to do it right now is because this verification would still take up 3 days. Okay, but once you verify this, upload maybe this HTML file into your hosting account. This product section, or all these products will now get approved and they will start showing in Google listings.